Hey guys, today we're doing Red Eye by Vance Joy. I found one other video on YouTube for it, but it was kind of confusing, so I figured I'd do my own. This is in standard tuning, and you only need 3 chords, so let's get into it. Okay, so this whole song is basically just 3 chords on loop the whole time, with a couple changes to their length around the chorus, which I'll show you. But here are the 3 chords real quick. It's the E major, which is your middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd string from the top on the 2nd fret, and your pointer finger on the 4th string from the top on the 1st fret. E major. Then we have the second one, which is an F minor. This is the hardest of the bunch. It's a bar chord, so I'm taking my pointer finger and I'm laying it down on all of these strings, pressing down, and then putting my ring and pinky on the 4th fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings from the top. If you don't know this one yet, this is a great song to learn it on because you're going from that E to the F and back a lot, so it's a lot of practice. And then the last one is an A major, which is these 3 fingers smushed together, and they're getting the 3rd string, 4th string, and 5th string from the top, all on the 2nd fret. Sounds nice. So yeah, those are the 3 chords, and they're played with the same strumming pattern throughout the whole song for the intro, verse, chorus, pretty much. So I'll show you that pattern. I'll start with it's the intro, but it's everything. So it's down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you notice, I'm doing 2 of those patterns on the A. So the A gets double length. So it's 1 on E, switch, 1 on the F, 2 on the A. And that's how it sounds for the intro. You do it a couple times instrumentally, I think it's 3. Then you start singing, he's like, she don't like small places, give her highways. And you got it. You can fill in the rest. So that's the intro, the verse. And then when we get to the chorus, there's one little change, and it's the A. So you know how I said we do it for 2? Right before the chorus, we do it for 4. So it's like... You're looking... And then you switch as well. So in that looking, you'll hold it. And it does that, I think, twice in the song, or 3 times, however many times it does the chorus. It holds that A for those extra 2 strumming patterns. One thing before I get into the final part, when you're switching these chords, and the way he does it in the song and how you make it easier on yourself is to lift off while you're still strumming. So it's like... So in between chords, you can do one of your strums with no fingers down. I suggest you do that. Anyway, okay, so after he does the 4 of the A, I think on the last chorus, he does like a... I know, on the last chorus, he does the special strum with the muted for that to hop into the E. So when you hear him do that, this is what he's doing. It's finishing out the 4 on the A, and then when he switches to E, instead of just playing E, he hits muted. So that's your fingers just laying on top, no sound. You strum and it makes no sound. And then you go down, up, down, up. So... practice that a couple times. So it's muted, down, up, fretted. And then you just do that once and then switch because you spend all your time doing the muted stuff. So yeah, that's the muted part. I'll do it completely. Oh, I messed up. Just get out while you can. that. For the outro, guess what? Same chords, same thing, completely. And I can't remember what he's singing. He's like, tell me you will, tell me you will, tell me you will. Same thing. So yeah, that's the whole song. Thank you for watching. If I gave you some value today, consider dropping a like. Also consider subscribing. I do all those good songs that the big YouTubers won't do. So yeah, have a great day.